Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to upload a video to Rumble step by step. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Rumble. Then you want to simply go ahead and click on create on the bottom of your screen and click on upload a video. Now you want to simply go ahead and click on open settings and then allow the permission to Rumble. Once you simply go ahead and allow it, you can simply go ahead and click on create. Now, what you need to do is simply go ahead and select a video that you want to go ahead and upload. And then click on next. And now you can add the title, the description, click on next, and then you can simply go ahead and upload it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.